Hi, I'm Derek Spears. Welcome to this film on how to assemble your Cooke & Lewis cabinets. In this film, I'm going to show you how to fit the wall unit to the wall and also adjust it up and down and in and out as required. Now, when you hang a wall cabinet to the wall, the height of that normally corresponds with the tall appliance housing or possibly the larder unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from the floor 2 meters and 70 millimeters, which is the height of the unit including the 150 mil feet, and put a mark. Now that is where I want my wall cabinet to finish. So taking a level, I'm now going to put a level line here and draw a line. So you can see it goes through my mark and past the width of the unit. Now my cabinet is going to be 400 mil wide, so I'm going to mark here where I want it to start, which is here, and then measuring 400 mil from there, I put a second mark. So that's the width of my cabinet. Now what you need to do is allow for the end panels. So you come in from those marks 20 millimeters. So 20 millimeters is there and 20 millimeters is there. If I was going to be putting a second cabinet next to this one, what I would do is I would measure another 20 mil this side and then from the center line measure whatever my next cabinet width is. Following my assembly guide, fixing to wall, from my finished height I'm going to measure down 62 millimeters, and that is where my wall brackets will be fitted. I now measure down 62 millimeters, which is to there, and again taking my level, I put a level line in like that. And these are my wall brackets, and going centre line of the elongated holes, I draw around those, making sure that it's in the centre, and copy for the other side. Using the correct fixings for the wall type you have. If you're not sure, consult the building expert at B&Q. Now I have a plasterboard wall here with stud work behind. So all I'm going to be using is normal screws, and I'm just going to screw straight through into the stud work behind. As with the chipboard, finish off the screws using a handheld screwdriver so you know it's not too tight. Having fitted my wall plates, I'm now going to fit my unit to the wall. Now we have a Perspex unit here, just to be able to show how the brackets and the hangers work in conjunction with each other. Making sure that the wall hook is out so you can actually hang it on the wall plates. You're going to need to use the screw in here. Turning anti-clockwise moves the hook out like that, which is the one that's horizontal. And if you turn it anti-clockwise, it actually moves the bracket out. So now I've got my brackets ready. I'm going to lift my unit up and hang it on my wall plates that I've already pre-fitted. I drop my unit onto the wall plates, and then to make sure that it's actually hung on them, pull the unit forward. If it falls off, rehang it and make sure that it's on before you fix the unit back to the wall. Making sure that the side panel of my carcass is on the mark where I put it on the wall. That's my 400 mil mark. What I'm going to do is I'm now going to pull the carcass back to the wall, but not tight back to the wall, just enough that if I need to I can lift it up or drop it down. So put it back, and to do that you turn this clockwise, and as you see that is actually pulling back to the wall. I can see that my carcass needs to go up to my finished line, and that is this screw on the underside here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that clockwise, and that will move my unit up. Now I just keep going up now until it gets to the line I need, which is there, and I repeat for the other side. Taking my level, I now see that this side needs to go up or this side needs to come down. So I'm going to make this side go up. And that is my unit now level. Once I've made sure that my unit is horizontal, I now make sure that it is also vertical. And to do that, you just put the level on the side. As you can see, it's absolutely fine. I now put it right back to the wall. And that's there. To there. One final check. Yes, that's absolutely fine. And yes, that's absolutely fine as well. And that is my unit fitted to the wall.